Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. I hope you can see my screen. And so what I've done, I've taken out all the descriptions, which were getting bigger and bigger at the bottom. And yes, I removed this all of these merge cells and made a clean list of the all of these items, which is this one, and then I kept the unique items only. So this is the list out of those selected descriptions from this risk register. And now once this is set up, I'll show you on the risk register. Here I have added the drop down on almost 158, which we can drag always to get more and more. So it will be working for 1000 almost. So yeah, we can add more. Let me know if you need that. So how it will work, this will work this way. So if I'll type in something here and I will write strategy, will show you all the available for this strategy only. So I can select any of these. Similarly with this one, if I'll type fire hydrant, you can see it's showing. Okay, no, let me change something. Building, if there is a word. Okay, so all of these have word building. You can see that it's changed. Basement. Now let me make another. So once if you'll select, let me take another word. Let me find a word to get. Okay, let's use this cellular. Hopefully this doesn't have so much. If I'll type in cellular and I open drop down, you will see you will have only two options with the available cellular, so that you can select easily with any of those. You can do this with any of cell here. You can see still you have the two. Let me add this word, and when you click it, you will see all the available. The word available in all any of the description will be shown in this list, so that you can easily select. So this is basically filtering out and showing you real time things. I have removed this, that if there is nothing in it, it won't show anything. But okay, let me know if you wanted to see all of these as well. I think it's better to see all of these. Okay, I'll make the change. So that's it. Let me try event word. If there is any description, yes, we have three with the event, and you can select any of those. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if this is what you are looking for. Take care. Thank you. Bye.